This is a 1974 Fiat 128Sl, which is the Coupe version. Slightly different to the 128 Saloon, which is longer and usually has 4 doors. We also did a model called the 3P, which means Tre Porti, which was a hatchback, but this model is by far the most attractive out of them all. It's a very rare beast because it's the only one registered on UK roads today, and I hear that there are only 3 in the UK. It's had an extensive restoration inside and out to show standard or Concours condition. Fitted with an Answer sports exhaust recently. Absolutely everything has been done to this car. We've managed to find brand new chrome work from Italy, from a very nice guy there called Emanuele. All the wheels have been powder coated to factory standard. It's got these beautiful side opening windows to the rear. Typical 70s design. Beautiful Fiat dashboard with the pods. Really nice car with bucket seats, which are in an outstanding condition. Virtually look as if they're like 2 years old. Fitted rear seat belts. It's just a lovely car with a vinyl roof. It's even got the gold plaque from Aci in Italy, which they inspected the car to prove it's all matching number vehicle and of historic value. A rare thing to have on a car these days. There it is, wearing it. I'll show you the engine. It's 1100cc single overhead cam, which is very free revving. They were beautiful engines and still are. The gap there is for a spare wheel. We're just waiting for that one to come back. That fills the hole there. All in all, we've done everything. We've managed to source new distributors, the camshaft, cam belts, everything's been done. Paintwork is just to die for. Don't know if you can actually see the depth of the paint, but it's lovely. I'll fire it up so you can hear it. The gorgeous rasp. That rasp is very common on these 128s. And there we are. My Fiat 128SL.